Hello friends, we are going to solve an equation which is based on absolute value functions. So we have given that mod of x minus 1 minus 1 mod minus 1 mod equals to 0. First of all, we need to discuss some properties of modulus function. So know that if mod of fx equals to k, then fx equals to plus minus k. And also know that mod of fx is always greater than or equal to 0. So mod of fx equals to, if mod of fx equals to minus 1, then fx has no solution. So fx has no solution. Again, we have another point is mod of fx plus mod of fy is equals to 0. This implies that fx equals to, since fx is greater than or equal to 0, mod of fy is greater or equals to 0. So the sum of two positive numbers can never be 0. So they have to be 0. So fy can be fy equals to 0. Again, so for example, if mod x minus 1 equals to 2 and we have to find the solution of x, then x minus 1 equals to plus minus 2. So x minus 1 equals to 2 and x minus 1 equals to minus 2. So we have two linear equation in x. So this becomes x equals to 2 plus 1 and this becomes minus x minus 2 plus 1. So this is equals to x equals to 3 and this equals to x equals to minus 1. So we have two solution, x equals to 3 and minus 1. Again, also we have to discuss some inequality. If mod x is greater than a, then if x is greater than 0, then mod x equals to x. So this becomes x is greater than equals to a. And if x is less than 0, so mod x equals to minus x and this equals to minus x is greater than a, and this implies x is less than or equals to minus a. And this inequality, so mod x greater than or equals to a is mod x greater or equals to a implies that minus a, combining this inequality, minus a x greater than, so combining this inequality, we get that x is less than or equals to minus a or x is greater than or equals to a. This, sorry, and this is the, these are equivalent. Again, we have another type of inequality, the second inequality, mod of x is less than or equals to a. So if x is greater than 0, then mod of x equals to x. So in this case x is less than a. Again, second case, if x is less than 0, then mod of x equals to minus x, and in this case minus x is less than a, and if we interchange negative sign, then inequality goes to changes and this becomes like this, x is greater than minus 1. So combining this inequality, this is equivalent to minus a, x is greater than minus a, greater or equal to minus a but less than a. So again, we have to solve the given problem. We have a problem which is given on our board. So first of all, what we do is we take mod of x minus 1 equals to t. So this equation becomes, this equation changes to t minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Again, what we do, so this is this take this equation as 1. So again what we do, again take u equals to mod of t minus 1. This take as second equation. So this so above inequality goes changes as u minus 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Again take, and what becomes this, we know that mod of fx equals to k, fx equals to plus minus k, we have discussed. So this becomes mod of u minus 1 minus 1 equals to plus minus 0 means 0, and this becomes mod of u minus 1 equals to 1, and this becomes u minus 1 equals to 1 and minus 1. So and this implies that u minus 1 equals to 1 and u minus 1 equals to minus 1, and this goes to u equals to 2, and this becomes u equals to 0. Again by equation 2 we have taken u equals to mod t minus 1 equals to 2 and mod t minus 1 equals to 0. So what we get, this equation implies t minus 1 equals to plus minus 2, and this implies t minus 1 equals to 0. Again what we do, we have two equation, t minus 1 equals to 2 and t minus 1 equals to minus 2, and this equals to t equals to 1. Again this becomes t equals to 3, and this becomes t equals to minus 1, and this equals to t equals to 1. Again put the value of t. We have taken in equation 1 mod of x minus 1 equals to t. So again since mod of t equals to mod of x minus 1 equals to 3 and mod of x minus 1 equals to minus 1, and this becomes mod of x minus 1 equals to 1. Again we look here that mod absolute value function cannot take negative values, so x minus 1 equals to mod minus 1 equals to mod of x minus 1 equals to minus 1 equals to has no solution, so we reject this equation. So again moving forward, x minus 1 equals to, this equation implies that plus minus 3, and this again, and what this equation implies that x minus 1 equals to 1, so this equation implies that x minus 1 equals to 1 and minus 1, so this implies that x equals to 0 and 2, and again this implies that x minus 1 equals to 3 and minus 3, and this becomes x equals to 4 and minus 2. So we have 4 solutions for the x. We have discussed that we have 4 solution of x for the given equation. So what are the solutions? We have found that x equals to 0, x equals to minus 2, 0, 2 and 4 are 4 solutions for the equation mod of x minus 1 minus 1 mod minus 1 mod minus 1 equals to 0. So thus we have solved our problem. So thank you.